Today we will be showing you how to replace optical transceivers and direct attach copper or DAC cables in Juniper Networks hardware. All Juniper Networks hardware uses hot removable and hot insertable optical transceivers and DAC cables. For this video, we will show the replacement using an EX series switch. First, you will need to locate what port the defective transceiver or DAC cable is in. You can use the command shown on screen to get a list of the interfaces and their current state. Once you have located the interface, you can move to the device to perform the replacement. If this is a transceiver replacement, you will first need to undo and remove the cable going to the transceiver. Then you can unlatch and remove the transceiver or DAC cable from the chassis port. Please note, most transceivers have a simple flip-down latch to secure them. However, there are some exceptions that have finger screws or a sliding ejector tab. Use whatever method applies to you to unlock and remove your transceiver or DAC cable. You can now insert the replacement transceiver or DAC cable, ensuring that it is latched firmly in place using whatever method previously noted applies to your particular use case. If this is a transceiver replacement, wait approximately 10 seconds before plugging the cable back into the transceiver, as this will have given the device enough time to recognize the new transceiver. You can use the command shown on screen to verify the interface is now in an operational state. The replacement is now complete. If you have any issues with your optical transceiver or DAC cable replacement, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will assist you.